This is Unomas again signing in YouTube, and I want to show you about Unomas Master Voice MOB. Okay, MOB. As you can see, I have load 299 bots, 209 bots, sucks, and I have been connect 24. Okay. I'm in Metro Manila Barcada server. Just connect. Just see. There you go. There's an option here. Listen to room. Let's listen to room. As you can see, it's already it's still connecting. Okay. There it goes. If you want to click on options here, there it goes. Okay, cookie without proxy. Okay, login a captcha. There it goes. Captcha. Enable captcha. Friends help. You need to use master bot to enable this function. And if you want to use voice here, here's your mic and others. Master. If you want to load your masters and go to particular room, again, capture. Okay. Without sucks. If you want to enable here, just put in your ID and password and go to particular room. Okay. Now it's you login. Now click on join room. Here it goes. And as you can see, captcha here. Yeah. And goes. Okay. And double click the bots in there to get your captcha here. Okay, just double click it and it will get the captcha in here. And if you want to refresh, you need to activate your master bots, okay, to enable this function. So let's go to options. Okay. Captcha. Here. If you want to enable this one, my fault. Okay, my fault. Okay. Cancel. You want to go to options. There. You need to go to options. Here. I want to go there. And you want to masters. Put in your ID and password there. Okay.